Hi, I'm Peter Thorstensen, Chief Technology Officer here at Dimitra, and I'm going to introduce you to Dimitra's AI-based crop modeling capabilities developed by David Rivas's AI research team. So far, we've developed AI models for over 65 different crops, and we are building a complete library of related agricultural AI tools. Our vision is to develop an operating system for agriculture to enhance efficiency, sustainability, and yield. AI is revolutionizing many aspects of agriculture, and Dimitra is at the forefront. Here are 14 use cases we've implemented for AI in agriculture so far. 1. Land preparation and sowing. Our AI algorithms analyze satellite and drone imagery to recommend optimal land preparation methods and sowing patterns based on soil conditions, moisture levels, and historical crop performance. 2. Soil management. By integrating data from soil sensors and historical crop yields, our AI models suggest improvements in soil health, tailoring fertilization practices, and predicting future soil needs. 3. Nutrient deficiency detection based on mobile phone images. We've built AI-powered apps that analyze images of crops taken by farmers to detect signs of nutrient deficiency and offer immediate recommendations for correction. 4. Nutrient calculator. Our AI processes data from soil tests for specified crop types and environmental conditions to calculate precise nutrient requirements, reducing waste and improving crop health. 5. Line calculator. Similar to our nutrient calculator, our AI models can determine the amount of lime needed to correct soil pH based on soil analysis data and crop-specific needs. 6. Irrigation. We optimize irrigation schedules using data from soil moisture sensors, weather forecasts, and crop evapotranspiration rates, ensuring efficient water usage using AI. 7. Intercultivation practices. AI can guide the timing and methods of cultivation practices between crops to enhance soil health and crop yield, using data from multiple sensors and historical records. 8. Pest and disease management. Through image recognition algorithms, our AI can identify pests and diseases from images captured by drones or mobile phones, recommending specific mitigation measures. 9. Alerts and early warning framework. Dimitra's AI can monitor various parameters, including weather, crop growth stages, and pest activity to provide alerts and early warnings for potential problems. 10. Analysis of infestation stages and damage assessment. Our AI assesses pest and disease damage and recommends precise agricultural interventions, such as targeted spraying, based on the severity and type of infestation. 11. Harvesting support. Our AI can predict the optimal harvest time for specific crops, analyzing historical data and current crop conditions and weather patterns to maximize yield and quality. 12. Yield prediction. By analyzing historical yield data and prevailing environmental factors, our AI models can forecast future yields, helping farmers plan for storage, sale, and future planting activities. 13. Fruit counting based on mobile phone images. The Dimitra Connected Farmer app can count fruit in images captured by mobile phones, helping farmers estimate yield and plan for harvest and market sales. 14. Storage. IoT sensors monitored by AI can track conditions like temperature and humidity in storage facilities, suggesting adjustments to maintain optimal conditions for stored crops. By leveraging AI across these 14 use cases, agriculture can be more precise, less resource-intensive, and more responsive to the challenges posed by a changing climate and the growing global population. Please visit our website to learn more.